Coolmintt A7, Hard Reset. Proudly brought to you by NIUGINI GSM team.
Now turn of the device. At this stage, watch closely so that you won't miss any steps.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Now, press and hold volume up, plus power key simultaneously. At this stage, use volumes to navigate and power key to select.
This video is purposely for educational.
Stay tuned and watch closely. Use volumes keys to navigate, and power key to select. Select data or factory reset. After that, reboot the system. This will take few minutes.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Almost complete, so be patient.
NIUGINI GSM team.
Coolmintt A7 Hard Resetting.
Almost done, so keep going.
Proudly brought to you by
NIUGINI GSM team.
It takes 5 to 7 minutes. This video is purposely for educational. Almost there. Hard resetting Coolmintt A7. If you forgot your password, this is the only way to bypass or remove forgotten passwords. Congratulations, Hard Reset has completed. At this stage, just follow what I am doing and follow the green arrow. This device is not set up with Google account, so we'll do it offline. Just follow the steps. At this stage, it will take 3 seconds. Congratulations, you have bypassed the forgotten password on your phone. Coolmintt A7 Android version is 11. Proudly brought to you by
NIUGINI GSM team.
subscribe for more.